Hello everybody, my name is Ron Pulse and welcome back to the channel, and today we're here with a special guest, Dragonite X, and Frost Rift is not a special guest but he's also still here. Okay, he isn't
Co-host
fired,
here.
he's still stuck in my basement.
I think we should
So,
jump.
yup.
What do you mean you jump? So you have anything to say, Dragonite? Just jump, jump, jump.
Yeah.
Follow me.
And Frost Rift isn't getting fired anytime soon, is he's going to be
What do you
still
mean? It
stuck.
was my idea to start the channel, man.
Yeah, but he's still stuck
25k
in my.
subscribers and I'll hack their channel.
I ain't stuck in your basement. I am your
You are
neighbor. You idiot. Hey,
still
no.
that, but you're still stuck in my basement.
I ain't.
Technically,
Shut
you're
up,
stuck in the
man. I hate
person
you.
who's living on top of you.
There you go.
I'm down.
Bro, what happened, you idiot?
All
Woman
cut.
is. Oh, crap.
Nah, it's okay. We can cut that, right?
Dragonite, I found you
What
here.
happened? What just happened?
Come here.
Wait, let's jump.
Zabi, come here. I have a gift for you.
Bro, there's
Frostbite, come
people
here. I
here.
have a gift.
Wait, Dragonite, I have your,
Give me this. Come
but
on.
I need to use it because I will die otherwise. Bro, you guys took the slurp without me, bro. Okay,
You weren't coming in Xavier. No,
take
sorry,
this,
Frostbite.
man. You needed
And I
this,
need
man.
it.
I'm not
Alright.
Frostvoid, guys. He ain't used to it. Vector 7 DMR. Anyone wanting?
Dragonite, he said he needed one. Oh my god, this guy.
Yes, I
Come on,
need.
down. That rhymed.
Acha.
Yeah. So guys, Nick K30 has started complaining again like a 2-year-old baby, which didn't get his.
Yes, he is one.
Wait, he's
How?
still alive?
Yeah, this is how bad Nick K30 has fallen. Our fellow companion Dragonite doesn't even know he's alive. W.
W speed.
I literally thought he left YouTube.
No, he's alive.
Sadly, he's still here.
He's still here, sadly.
Everybody,
I don't know.
everybody, get in the reboot one.
Bro, I haven't looted up yet, bro. I'm broke
It's
as
okay.
hell.
We are not looting off.
Kyun? I need
Come on,
the
get in my
weapons.
van, kids. There's candy back here.
Yeah, a lot of candy for kids.
Is that a good thing or bad thing, my kid? Are we under attack?
That's a good thing. Remember, kids, do not go in anybody's van until they show you the candy.
Yeah, and it should be good candy. Remember,
Yeah,
Not bad
Snickers bars
candy.
only.
something like Hershey's.
Has any of you had Sour Patch Kids yet?
Rivalry intercepted. Okay,
Should we go to
I'm
that guy or
going
no?
to stop here for the chests.
Yes, me too. I also need this.
Bro, I
Hey
only have
yo,
one
what do
sound
you
right,
mean? That ain't sound right. And guys, I hope if you guys like Dragonite, he will appear in
Will
the
not get
channel.
lost.
He might appear in the channel more often.
But I
If
will
he
get paid.
he will get paid
he
when
will
we
not
get
get
paid.
paid.
When we start
he
getting
will
paid,
not.
he will get paid in the cuts of the videos we got paid. He's going to get 33%.
Remember, guys, if this video does not come up, that means I'm dead.
And
Oh my.
if this video comes up and you don't see him, he's fine. But he's just fine. Okay? We don't commit murder. Murder is bad, guys.
Yes. We do
Okay,
not
so the game
do
we're
of
playing is
murder.
wrong.
Murder is not approved by us.
Yeah. Overrated.
Yeah, Martyr is approved.
But Dexter is not. Dexter is approved by us.
Yup.
What about Archon Morgan?
Awesome, Morgan. The storm's here, guys. I think
I love
Dragonite,
Archon
you might want to get out
Guys,
of there,
get in
man.
the car.
Nah, I'd win.
Quick, quick, Dragonite, quick!
Don't leave me! Don't leave me!
You
Yeah,
just
quick,
said
quick, run,
night.
run, run. Oh, ma!
Okay, just
Are you
get
stuck?
in, it's good, it's good.
Nah, he can get out, I guess. Get in,
Get in.
Dragonite! Oh my god, he's
Thanks for
random.
the help. Thanks for the help.
Yeah,
Let's go.
use the boost. These boosts are.
Listen, I declare you the worst driver in universe. Come on, I got to go deliver the pizza.
Get
I work for
oh my
Mario.
god.
I'm
Oh,
running.
I forgot. The storm is still running on me.
No, no
Do
shit.
you have movement items, guys?
I have
have a
no
pizza.
movement items. Frost Rift, why are you leaving us?
He's
You
just
gotta
too
do what you
good
gotta
for us.
do.
We
It's
only
fine.
have
I
to
am
survive
successfully
for
out.
40 more seconds.
Are you gonna die, bro? Are you about to die?
Keep running.
Keep on
The storm.
turning into a capo.
We do not talk about Kapapa Dam. Oh my god!
I'm dead almost.
Hell no.
I am almost about to get isekai.
Okay,
In the
now I
comments,
desperately.
name your favorite JJK character.
I have escaped for now.
We are going to survive, Dragonite. We can now live for a few
I have to deliver this pizza. I need to get that $2.50, bro.
To come back, we can use the. Oh my. Freaking.
Fatty the platypus, I hate you.
Got one, got one. Oh my
The
god.
other one is low, other one's very low.
I'm
Okay,
going
one shot
to.
should do it then.
Hello, Pally the platypus.
Heal me, heal me, heal me. I'm the closest to you, heal me.
Idhar hai. What if his homie shows up, man?
Backshot.
Their homie ain't coming. I made sure of that.
Okay, good thing, Dragon Knight. Good thing. Come here.
I killed their homie though.
Should
Guys,
have
pizza
killed her
time.
for me.
Pizza time, pizza time. Everybody gets equal, everybody gets equal, everybody gets equal, everybody. Bro, I
I
got two
only got
slices. Are you
two
kidding me
slices.
right now?
Ah,
Are we
shit.
under attack? You said you took care of the.
More
I never
pizza,
said I
guys.
killed him.
More guys.
I just. Guys, remember, I didn't say I take care of him. I just said. No, actually, I said I take care of him, but I didn't say I killed him.
Well, bro, I just threw. Oh my god, it didn't work. Oh, pizza.
Tanali, come here. I'm doing
Okay, I
things.
have
Someone is
seen the
healing.
problem.
Someone is healing.
It's
Oh
Dragon Knight.
shit, Gatorade is not gonna cut it now.
I
Start
have a
running,
mythic
boys.
now. I got a mythic from that guy who I killed.
I got
I've been taking that
a
soon, don't
victory
worry.
crown, so I can say.
But we have to
Don't
keep
worry,
running the storm.
Frostword, I'll be taking that soon.
His name is not Frost Void, it's Rift.
Frost White is
whatever
my
I
old
want.
name. Frost White was my old name.
Now he died. Now he's been replaced.
Now my name is Storm.
Oh,
Frost.
you fired that guy?
Yup.
Nah, bro, it was my old name, nah.
I hated that guy.
Bro,
Yeah,
I'm still the
Frost.
same guy.
Frost Void was a horrible dude. Now he's.
I am still Frost White.
Then we hired
kill the
someone
dude in the
named.
Frostword was a horrible dude.
Yeah, now, but
I
Frost
actually
Rift is a
converted
chill
this
guy.
season.
Frost Rift is
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, Frost White is someone related to me, but he is not a good person. Nah, he
Throw
ain't.
this
Definitely.
cast grenade.
Anybody want this?
Yes, me.
Take it.
What? I need something.
Okay, you both come here. Come here. Slurp, slurp.
Everybody
slurp. Quick,
come
slurp.
here.
Quick, Dragonite.
Everybody dance now.
Everybody
let's roll
run
out.
into battle.
I hear gunshots and I see the people
You know what I
fighting.
have to say to this?
I see
Bro, the
I
dude
see
has the Ice King's
Dragonite's
mythic
rival.
gun.
I see Dragonite's rival.
Ah, my eternal rival.
I see Sasuke Uchiha.
Sasuke Uchiha?
Yeah.
The Sharingan?
And they
Okay,
all
we
have been
wiped one
exterminated.
enemy team off. Bro, they're healing. Come to me quick. They're healing.
They are
That's
exterminated.
impossible.
Oh.
I wanted to be a princess.
We both do. Be careful.
Shoot.
What do you
Yeah,
The
mean?
princess is
What do
killing
you
me.
mean, Frost? You want to be a
What do you mean?
princess? Oh, I think you guys need my help.
Guy, of course we need your help,
No.
idiot.
No, I'm
Where
chill.
were you?
In a fight,
It's fish stickies.
What do you mean? I hate you, man. If we lose this, I'm genuinely gonna rage quit.
no,
Bro,
don't.
you remember what we said about rage quitting?
Kill them and take. Oh,
They
bro,
are
they are guys.
mythics.
Of course they do. Of course they do. Use your
They came from
shotgun.
the.
Use your shotgun, you idiot.
Eh, no squaring.
I called him an idiot.
Can wait a few bucks.
He's not an idiot. He's just mentally challenged.
Oh, yes.
the
Yes,
same
this is almost done.
Okay, get our reboot card, man.
Let him kill him, or does he want, or do you want him to be best buddies with him?
I want my mythic back.
I want everything that these guys have. Can you grab
That's
some
my-
guns?
oh.
Hey, I need a bazooka. Can you grab me bazooka?
Can I grab
Can I
myself
have the
also
some
the
gun?
gun
meat?
It
that's
is
behind you.
obliterator, man.
Also, the gun that's behind you, please. Please.
Can I
remove it.
heal myself?
Our house is.
Heal yourself then, you flippin' idiot.
He's not an idiot.
Am I mentally discharged? Maybe.
No, it's called mentally challenged.
Okay, get my assault rifle now, yaar. Bro, get my assault rifle. My mythic assault rifle. Quick, before
think
the
he
storm
will-
freaking engulfs it. Run, run.
Zavi, use your proximity grenades. Oh, you don't have them.
Bruh.
Oh, shoot.
Wow,
Imagine you
मैं
get killed by this guy.
Nah, he low.
I'm going to now play as Storm Pearls. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm going to turn around and go into the storm. Do not. Do not.
Go.
Slay
Go.
girl.
Bro, can I
25,000 subscribers and I will steal their YouTube channel.
Quick,
No.
quick, before the storm gets us. Okay, the storm stops. Storm. Yeah, कर लो भी.
Sorry, I missed click of button. Everybody, I
this
have your
guy's-
respective weapons, okay?
Can I have the obliterator shotgun?
Hell no, one guy
Can
gets
I
the
also have
bazooka.
can I have
One
the
each.
assault rifle if he's getting my shotgun?
Not
It's my
allowed.
assault rifle. You can have the shotgun.
Yeah.
Wait, moment. Can I have the
The shotgun dropped from the enemy.
Yeah, but give me the assault rifle.
Okay, give me the shotgun. Give him the assault rifle.
Bro, but
Give me-
the shotgun
Where's
was
my
from the
bazooka?
enemy.
Where's
The
my bazooka?
shotgun?
Every time I hit the.
Shotgun.
The shotgun
Quick, man,
was
shot-
from the enemy. I collected it.
Okay, Dragonite, give me my assault rifle back. Give it back. Give it back.
Dragonite, give it back.
Okay,
No, lying in.
but I'm gonna need something in return.
Okay, I can
Okay,
give you
just
some.
take the shotgun. I can handle myself.
Give
with
it to
the-
me, bro.
Yeah,
Here,
Okay, you can have this.
and
What?
this.
Okay, let's get out of
Now
here
I
for
only
now. For
have
now,
the Ice King thingies.
let's get
And
out of here.
assault rifle.
Bro, the
Frosty
storm
man,
right here, we
come.
can't. Oh, भाई storm pulse के बच्चे आओ भी जाओ.
I need weapons, man. I don't have any.
Wait,
Only
when
I'm-
did he
Bro,
have
no,
a kid?
this is not the place.
थोड़ा सा आगे चल रहे हैं खान साहब.
Can you take me
लेकिन
to a
इतना आगे
vending
तरफ
machine? Can you take me to a vending machine?
Yes, sir.
But first, can we get out of here?
Yeah, I wanted to go through the house.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, why are you going towards the stone? Dragon?
I got to follow the road.
Oh man, the road Omera.
Guys, stay there. I'm buying myself something.
And I'm getting that.
Until then, I'm gonna dance on the car.
Until then, I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Come here, Frost. Frosty Flakes, come here.
Frosted
Frosted-
Flakes.
Come on, sit on my shoulders.
Hey yo.
Sit
Frosted
on my Dorian the
Flakes.
Father Johnson. Okay, Talal, now do the sign, and Zavi, you sit on Talal's shoulders.
I don't have the
Come on.
sun.
Zavi, the Frostbite, please.
I don't have.
His name is Rift. Frost Void is gone. Rift is all that.
I am Rift.
I'm going to
Rift
kick
is
him
all
from
that.
the ground.
Guys, enemy spotted. अगर मदद फरमाई जा सकती है.
No, I'm on the other side.
I do not want to die. No, no, no. Allah, Allah, Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar.
I'm coming. Yeah.
Help me,
How
please.
did you, Moment? Frost Dragonite, how did you die?
My name is Dragon Frost.
Time to use
by
my
the way.
mythic assault.
There's somebody on the
Come here,
roof,
I'll
okay,
revive
be
you. Come here,
careful.
come here, come here, come here, come here. Idiot. Come here. Stay there. Look at
I've
that.
fallen. I would advise you to look nowhere. I would advise
Do you do it?
Zavi.
Take this, Dragonite.
Yes.
Oh, we won.
First round,
We
first
won.
game. Let's go.
Somehow
The
we
luck of the
won.
dragon is real.